Hi, in this video we will continue our exploration of the Vostok Station in Antarctica. And I have Lance here. Welcome, Lance.
Thank you.
And Lance, he went to Antarctica twice. First time, and he stayed there for 15 months, and second time he stayed there for 12 months with the Australian expedition. But he's really interested in what's happening in Vostok Station because of the mystery attached to this very special area in Antarctica. And because Lance is so experienced in Antarctica and he's written 2 books about Antarctica, I want him to do remote viewing on some of the mysteries in the Vostok Station. So first mystery will be about magnetic anomalies. So there are lots of stories that magnetism from Earth is so strong, specifically at the area of Vostok Station, that even they start to drill something to find out what's underneath of the ice, or start doing measurements or research things like equipment shut down, breakdown. Something always happen because of the magnetism, and scientists can't explain it. They can't find any logical explanation why it happened. So Lance will tune into this region, Vostok Station, and have a look what's going on underneath of the lake. So Lance, please close your eyes. I will take you into remote viewing state. Close your eyes, bring your attention to the middle part of your body. It's where your spine is located, and start breathing. Start breathing through your spine. Your spine is the center of the body. And when you start breathing through your spine and feel your breath flowing through your spine, you center yourself. And centering is absolutely necessary to do remote viewing. You have to center yourself first. Now bring your attention to your head, where your brain is located. Focus on your brain and start breathing through your brain, like as if you're pushing your breath through your brain. Like feel that you're breathing through your brain. And with each breath, push all your thoughts away. Like clear your head from all the thoughts until you feel silence. Silence in the head. Silence means that you switched off your logic mind, because remote viewing is only possible when you connect to your intuitive mind. Okay, now visualize a beam of light growing from your forehead and connecting to the Vostok Station in Antarctica. Just feel this energy flowing from your forehead to the target. And now look around Vostok Station, go underneath of the ice, and what do you see regarding magnetic anomalies? Why instruments and equipment shut down? What can produce such abnormal energies which scientists can't explain what's going on? What do you see there in the Vostok Station?
I can see under the ice it's very, very thick, kilometres thick. There's valleys down there. And I can see some dark object, very, very large object, like a meteorite.
Under Vostok?
In that vicinity, yes, under Vostok.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's quite a large meteorite, big impact area, and valleys.
And what sort of texture of this meteorite? Like texture is like hard, rocky, or like metal, or what it's made of? Like, do you feel to sense anything? Because something is producing these energetic frequencies.
It's dark. It's shiny. It's like it's all chipped, textured.
Right.
Very large, very very large, and
Yeah.
special material that you won't find in rocks in Australia, in Earth.
Yeah.
The properties are very very strong, magnetism properties.
Right.
So it's extraterrestrial. It's not a natural
So
formation.
extra, it means it comes from the space.
That's
So
right. Yeah.
do you see, what do you see? It was deliberately like put there, like, or it is just like a meteorite, it's like randomly happen, or it's something connected to maybe aliens?
Yes.
Maybe they put it, maybe, or it just fall from the sky,
Yes, it could be.
or somebody put it in. What do you see? Like, what's your impressions when you see it?
It's like a big black quartz metal
Wow.
texture.
Uh-huh.
Nothing like that on Earth, like I said.
Yeah.
It could be a big spaceship, for example.
So it can be. And what made you think that this is a spaceship? Does it have like a round shape, or what is shape it?
Well, the energy coming out from it is enormous. It's enormous energy.
It's what you feel, like impulses, like of energy, like a currents of energy.
Like wave.
Yeah,
like
waves.
Magnetic wave.
Right. Right.
And that would affect any scientific equipment at Vostok Station.
Yeah, it's actually, it can make sense if it's like a alien spacecraft. Of course, it will interfere with equipment. Okay, so also there are many stories about strange sounds that come from underneath of the ice. Some people describe it like a hum, continuous, like a hum, as if something alive, like a big alive mass or something alive under the ice. So when you connect to under the ice, what you can actually see about these strange sounds?
It's coming from very powerful energies, very strong energy. Exactly what it is, I don't know, that's causing it.
Do you feel it's come like water, like fluctuation maybe of water currents, because it's a big lake underneath, and maybe there are some streams?
Possibly. There are like rivers down there.
Rivers?
Because there's a lot of valleys cut out by the ice. I can see that. There's a lot of energy. It could be from the water itself flowing through the valleys, producing the noise. Yes.
So what you see now, just currents, like currents of water. So what do you see water like? Do you see any colors? Do you see any maybe feel temperature? What's the water like?
What's the water like? It's very crystal clear. It's very dense.
Dense water. And what makes it so dense? Is it chemical content, or what makes it so dense?
Oh, the pressure of the ice above it.
Pressure?
Pressure down on it. I can see that the water itself is under a lot of pressure.
Okay, and so under pressure and it still keep moving, and this is what makes the strange noise.
Yeah, there's a lot of energy in water when it's flowing like that under pressure.
Wow. Yeah. So scientists also discovered unusual microorganisms and unusual bacteria in the ice. And with some DNIs, like they researched it, and DNIs in these bacteria not matching to anything known. So it's something totally not from Earth. It's never been found anywhere else. So if you can tune into this microorganism in the ice, what you possibly see there?
It's extraterrestrial, possibly.
Yeah.
Possibly part of the meteorite that produced in the magnetism.
It's when it fall, it left some like bacteria like separated during the fall.
Yes.
Yeah, and contaminated the ice and like maybe water, which then became ice.
Yes.
Right.
There's bacteria or microorganisms in the lake itself.
Which are very strange, yeah, and which never been found anywhere else on Earth. So, what do you see its connection to alien life?
I see at Vostok Station there's a big room. It looks like it's a quarantine room.
Yeah.
There's people in there wearing white coats.
Yeah.
They look like they're studying something. It could be the microorganisms.
They didn't study it, but microorganisms related to like millions of years ago.
Yes. Like I said, it's a quarantine room.
Yeah.
There could be possibility that some of these microorganisms could be dangerous if they were got out into the moderate temperature zones of the planet.
So you mean if ice melt, microorganisms come out, become free, and can contaminate Earth with new bacteria?
Yes. Yeah, they could potentially be dangerous, some of them.
Some of them can be potentially dangerous for humans and human life, like or any life on the planet.
Yeah, humans, animals.
Right.
A lot of them, what I can see is fairly harmless.
Some of them are harmless.
Yeah.
And some of them will not cause any problems to humans.
Yeah, some of them there's a concern on the station about them.
Yeah, there's a lot of, it's what you see, lots of concern about maybe melting ice and this microorganism.
Yes.
Free.
Yes.
Right. So also some people talk about some lost civilizations and some lost structures underneath of the ice. So if you tune into underneath of the ice, what can you say about these rumors? Because it's not proven, it's not disproven either.
No, maybe it's not proven, but there's definitely civilizations on Antarctic continent before it shifted south.
Yeah. So it's what you see. So what exactly you see? Like you see any buildings or some sort of ruins that can actually tell us there was something there?
A lot of stonework that have been cut very finely to build the buildings or the roads, which of course are, they look like they're in ruins. There could be, I can picture a pyramid down there.
Pyramid, wow. So what it looks like, just like a pyramid, similar to like Egyptian pyramids, or totally different, totally unique?
Yeah, very much like Egyptian pyramids. Of course, they're knocked around quite a bit by the weight of the ice. Just looking at them. The actual shape, I'm not quite sure, but it's a pyramid type of shape.
Wow. Right. So you see basically some ruins and also some like pyramids.
Yes. Yeah, I have to. I can say they must be used for navigation or something like that.
Wow, navigation. Yeah, and if I ask you a question about how old the structures that you see, can you actually tell approximately their age?
Couple of million years ago,
Wow,
something like that.
and it's already navigation.
Yeah.
Some structures used for navigation.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
There's civilizations, but
Is it
what I
connected
see.
to like aliens, extraterrestrial, or it's like pre-humans?
Oh, well, pre-humans, well past that, yeah.
So pre-humans, but how did they know so much information, so much knowledge that couldn't build navigation structures? Somebody must taught them.
If they're extraterrestrials, they would have been far advanced, and
Yeah,
from what I can see,
exactly.
they are far
Excellent.
advanced even before humans evolved.
Yeah. And do you think that the discoveries in the Lake Vostok could change what we know about life on Earth? So if we discover more and more about Vostok mysteries, will it change our understanding of Earth?
Oh, most definitely,
Yeah.
yeah. Doing DNA on the microorganisms would show us how much we've developed plant life, bacteria-wise as well, all kinds of life from several hundred millions of years ago.
Yeah.
In Antarctica, the bacteria would be
Yeah.
not that old.
And would it prove that actually this notion that we are not alone? We are not alone in this universe.
Oh, definitely not alone. Of course we're not. No.
Yeah, no, but what you see in the Lake Vostok, can it actually confirm this notion that we are not alone?
The bacteria, the microorganisms, and the DNA found down there, likely from the meteorite.
Extraterrestrial, yeah.
Extraterrestrial means there's life somewhere else, of course.
That's right.
Something collided with a planet and the parts broken off,
Yeah.
came to Earth, and of course there's life somewhere else.
Yeah, and such a developed civilization, remains of such a developed civilization, which possibly were known to extraterrestrials. They may knew this information from extraterrestrial knowledge.
Yeah, of course when I'm looking at the advanced civilizations back a few million years ago, a few 100 million years ago, definitely very advanced. Which
Well, thank you, Lance. I think it's like a lot you have already saw, but I'm fascinated by this topic and looking forward to your input and your comments about what we saw. And we will definitely be looking at this area on Earth, Vostok Station, again.